First of all, a very happy, healthy, peaceful and prosperous new year to all of you. 2023 has been a very successful year for Brussels Photonics. Several researchers obtained their FWO scholarships, fellowships and projects. And based on its continued successful FWO track record, B-Phot applied and obtained the status of large-scale research group. And of course also the finances that go along with it. Also, our Industrial Research Fund was very remarkable in its successes in 2023, such that we received a very positive midterm evaluation. Last year, we started working on our first Photonics in Space project with the European Space Agency, and we created a free-form optical component that will be part of a flight mission to Venus that fully stood the tough acceptance tests of ESA. New equipment has been installed and more equipment is underway, thanks to the Flemish Resilience Plan. And of course also its financial means, for which we're very grateful. We continued boosting our collaborations with Flemish, European companies, and in particular, we leveraged our very strong collaboration with Hamamatsu Photonics through the Happy Chair, and we're very proud to say that our first joint commercial product will see and capture the light at Photonics West at the end of January. So all in all, a great year thanks to the efforts of the entire B-Phot staff. But besides research and innovation results, 2023 has also been very successful from the educational point of view. Heidi will tell us now more about this.
Indeed. In 2023, we welcomed 2 new professors to Brussels Photonics. So in addition to their research and valorization expertise, we are delighted to observe their active contribution to our Master of Science in Photonics Engineering. So their dedication, coupled with their experience and especially their passion for photonics, will significantly enhance the educational experiences we provide to our students. Beyond the teaching staff, our Master of Science in Photonics Engineering also hosts a diverse group of international students. A crucial aspect of their training involves a hands-on component, for which we send our students across the globe, from Europe and the US to Australia and Japan. These students engage in internships at research institutes or companies, gaining invaluable practical experience. Don't forget to listen to the recently launched podcast, where Rasha and Parto share their enriching experiences abroad. These internships not only benefit the students, but also foster new international collaborations for B-Phot. And finally, a noteworthy milestone for 2024, our Master of Science in Photonics Engineering celebrates its 30th anniversary. Over the past 3 decades, we've witnessed numerous graduates successfully completing our master program. Many of them have gone on to make substantial and successful contributions to industry, research, and academia.
Now, Heidi, 2024 will not only be a very interesting and exciting year for our education, but also, of course, for research and innovation. Besides the 30th anniversary of our Master in Photonics, we'll also celebrate the 10th anniversary of the inauguration of our Brussels Photonics Innovation Center here in Goik. And we will do that with open door days for industry, but also for the public at large. And we do that at the occasion of Flanders Technology and Innovation that's going to happen in March this year. At the same time, we will be working on extending our Photonics Innovation Center and our technology platforms so we can keep our pilot position for research and innovation in extreme optics and extreme photonics, and especially continue to contribute to a durable society for all. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.